So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question number 11. In the diagram below, the line L is parallel to the line K. So here's L and K, so they're parallel. The angles A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are marked in the diagram. Write down a pair of angles that are vertically opposite. Well, a pair of angles that are vertically opposite would be A and C. That's any two angles that are just vertically opposite each other in an X shape. So it could be AC, BD, EG or FH. So I'm just going to go with AC. Part 2, write down a pair of angles that are corresponding. So angles that are corresponding are angles in an F shape. So if you use the parallel lines as the branches of the F shape, so for example, if we had an F shape like this, well, the two angles underneath the branches of the F would be considered corresponding. So in other words, this angle A and the angle E. So that would be one possible pair, A and E, but there are others. Part 3 says write down a pair of angles that are alternate. So if we want alternate angles are angles that are enclosed by a Z shape. So for example, if we draw a Z shape like this, and the top and the bottom of the Z use the parallel lines, so this and this, well then the angles enclosed are alternate angles and they're equal. So F and D are alternate angles here. There are other ones, but F and D is the one I will go for. Okay, part 4. Given that the size of the angle A is 137 degrees, find the measures of the angles G and H. So we know A is 137, we've defined G and H. So let's go back here. If A is 137, well, if A is 137, we know that E is the same because they're corresponding. So E is 137. And if E is 137, then G will also be 137 because G and E are vertically opposite. So G is 137. And if G is 137, G and H should add up to 180. This angle and this angle are two angles on a straight line, so that means that H will be equal to 180 minus 137, which is 43. So there we have G is 137 and H is 43. G is 137 degrees and H is 43 degrees. And that's the end of question 11.